Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can withdraw your referral bonus or money from your Hostinger account onto your PayPal or bank account. So this will be a complete step-by-step guide, and let's get right into it. So first off, once you log in into your Hostinger account, you will just need to click on Refer right here in the upper right corner, and that will lead you to the Refer and Earn page, where you can also find your referral link. From there, go ahead and click on My Earnings right here. Now on this page, you will be able to see your earnings from the Hostinger referral program, and to withdraw these earnings right here that are available to be withdrawn, we would first need to connect a payout method. So we do that by clicking on Add Payout Method right here. And then here we have a few different payout options. So for me, I will go with PayPal, but if you use Hostinger all the time, you can choose Hostinger Balance or a wire transfer directly onto your bank account. But just keep in mind that depending which one of these you choose, the payout threshold is different. So for PayPal is about $50. Now I will go ahead and select PayPal and then click on Set Payout Method. Next up, you will be redirected to this screen where you would need to connect your payout method. So because I selected PayPal, I got the PayPal one, and I will just click on PayPal checkout right here. Then you will be prompted to log in into your PayPal account. Here, just go ahead and click Agree and Continue. And now that payout method is set. So once you connect your payout method, you can just scroll down and click on When will I receive my earnings, so you can see, depending on the payout method that you selected, when the earnings will be paid out. So for example, for PayPal, it sends out the earnings daily, so I will receive my daily earnings through PayPal. But essentially guys, that's how you can withdraw money from your Hostinger account. It will just be withdrawn automatically when you reach a certain threshold for your desired payout service. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.